Welcome to 7 Polenta Way, Aveley, a stylish and well-presented family home that perfectly combines comfort, convenience and low-maintenance living. Positioned directly opposite beautiful open parkland, this inviting residence offers a peaceful outlook while placing you close to everything you need. Whether you're a first home buyer, a growing family, downsizer or savvy investor, this is a fantastic opportunity to secure a quality home in one of Aveley's most sought-after locations. Inside, you'll find a practical open-plan design that brings the kitchen, dining and living areas together, creating a welcoming space for everyday living and entertaining. The well-appointed kitchen overlooks the main living area, making it easy to stay connected with family and guests. The home features 3 generous bedrooms, including a spacious master suite complete with a walk-in robe, private ensuite and split-system air conditioning for year-round comfort. 2 additional bedrooms are well-sized and serviced by a central family bathroom. Step outside and enjoy your own private alfresco, complete with timber decking and cafe blinds, perfect for entertaining friends, enjoying weekend barbecues or simply relaxing after a long day. A double garage, side access and easy care gardens complete this practical and functional home. The location is what truly sets this property apart. You're just moments from local schools, shopping centres, public transport and Ellenbrook town centre, while the world-renowned Swan Valley, the Vines Resort, Brookleigh Estate, Bells Rapids and Walyunga National Park are all within easy reach. If you're searching for a home that offers lifestyle, convenience and outstanding value, 7 Polenta Way, Aveley is one you won't want to miss. We look forward to welcoming you at our next home open.